Welcome to APA Basics and Beyond, brought to you by Muskegon Community College's Writing Center. Today we're walking through APA Basics and going a bit beyond the basics. APA is more than formatting, it's about clarity, credibility, and professional academic communication. By the end of this session, you should feel confident structuring a paper, citing sources correctly, and building a polished reference page. APA stands for the American Psychological Association. It's widely used in psychology, education, nursing, business, and social sciences. The goal of APA is consistency and clarity so readers can quickly locate sources and understand research. Mastering APA now will make your writing smoother in future classes and in your career. Here are the foundational formatting rules for APA 7th edition. Use 12-point Times New Roman, double spacing, and 1-inch margins. Include page numbers in the top right corner. The title should be bold, centered, and in headline capitalization, otherwise known as title case. The title page includes your name, department, course, instructor, and due date. This slide shows a sample APA title page. Notice the centered, bold title and the double spacing. Everything is clean and uncluttered. APA formatting emphasizes simplicity and readability over decorative design. An APA paper follows a predictable structure as well. After the title page, you may include an abstract if required. The body begins with the introduction. Note there is no heading labeled Introduction. Use headings to organize sections. The references page always begins on a new page with a hanging indent. APA has 5 heading levels, though most student papers only use 1 or 2. Headings can help organize ideas and guide readers. Each are formatted slightly differently. Consistency matters more than complexity. Choose levels that make sense and apply them correctly. When using sources, you have 3 options: quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. Quotes should be used sparingly. Paraphrasing means fully restating ideas in your own structure and wording. And summaries condense main ideas. In all cases, cite your source to maintain academic integrity. Signal phrases help blend your voice with your sources. Instead of dropping quotes into paragraphs, introduce them with some context. Synthesis means showing relationships among sources, agreement, disagreement, or gaps. This strengthens your analytical writing and shows your thought process. There are 2 main citation styles in text: narrative and parenthetical. Include page numbers for direct quotes. Follow specific rules for multiple authors. Accuracy in punctuation and formatting is crucial in APA formatting. APA also provides rules for special situations like group authors, missing authors, no dates, multiple works by the same author, and secondary sources. Always aim to cite the original source whenever possible. Tables and figures must be clearly labeled and numbered. Include titles and notes where needed. Follow your instructor's guidance about placement. Keep visuals clean and readable. The reference list begins on a new page titled References in bold. Alphabetize entries by author surname. Use hanging indents and double spacing. Include DOIs when available. Titles are written in sentence case, while journal names and volume numbers are italicized. Here are common source templates, including books, chapters, and web pages. Notice punctuation patterns carefully. Journal articles include volume numbers and DOIs when available. Database names are not required in APA 7th for most sources. Pay attention to italicization and capitalization differences. Consistency is key. This slide includes examples of government reports, videos, and podcasts. APA now treats many digital media sources similarly: author, date, title, format in brackets, platform, URL. Personal communications such as emails are cited in text only. Class slides and AI tools can also be cited if required. Always clarify expectations with your instructor. DOIs are preferred and formatted as URLs. Include URLs for online content when needed. Retrieval dates are only required when content is designed to change over time. Take a few moments to review this sample APA reference page. Remember to center the title References at the top of the page. Your citations should be alphabetized. Make sure to use a hanging indent and to double space your references as well. Plagiarism includes failing to cite quoted or paraphrased ideas. Patch writing, changing a few words, is not true paraphrasing. Use citation tools carefully and always double-check formatting. Before submitting your paper, review this checklist. Confirm formatting, citation matching, alphabetical references, and proofreading. Small formatting errors can cost easy points. If you'd like to learn more, check out the APA Publication Manual, 7th edition. You can also check out the APA Style website, style.apa.org, for tutorials, examples, and quick answers. You also have your campus library and the Writing Center available to you, as well as your instructors. Furthermore, there is always the Purdue OWL at owl.purdue.edu. They are the cornerstone for formatting citations. Keep a personal template for the title page, headings, and references. That can help you save some time in the future. Keep in mind, with all these resources and reference guides, you've got this. If you have any lingering questions after this workshop, please feel free to contact Muskegon Community College's Writing Center at writingcenter@muskegoncc.edu. We are always happy to answer your questions.